Foki yabulo shere no ena. Abim lo sevoni yo ne mok bi skulu. Abim lo sevoni oye mo yo mia. E mo na ite gbukpu ikwi oli adi phone wo kaile na ya da nyi phone so that ayi ngmo ya ayi gbukpu gore. Wode ti gese no ena wo ka mlemo iyo no baru e machine. Wode ti gese no ena wo ka mlemo iyo no baru e moto. Wode ti gese no ena wakamli moli yo no ya akyobi ngbi phone dobo angbi phone dobo ngbi phone dobo ngbi phone dobo awo go ni go ai kai le yo oni ala go the phone awo kai ye kai we go office of ke we bia bi yo ai wo the office na memera baby shema na line na o je ni kotu memera shema na ke bia ye kotu baby shema na line na okolo wo bi siga okolo wo bi gbo okolo le yunmo kaka okolo le tramadol o le refno o di go ta water memera kake biemon aviyo kake biemon aviyo kake biemon aviyo tikade ke wo vigbo le refno le imokite di gota water kokoma at the end of the day kaka dumu kaka da olomli ko wo le trust yi ma wo de jigo eto ma wo de jo ujela the other thing I will say they don't spoil our society now na true go say they say ngbuko ye ya share eyi ko ngbuko ya share emi ko ngbuko ya share so that I will mligo wakamla eyiko no ena ai mumma mi mo ipa chala ito o to yo kwa ala iwa ai mo ada sheke mo na me o fu. These are the things we spoil our society today. Our parents contribute to the society today. We say they spoil. Yes, they contribute to ra whether na biji no jere e yabale na bwebu fu jere kidomu na aye shi dross na je gware inshallah iwelu utaye e ji gware jire inshallah en la no ena I support ala ewa wole ti gere kidomu na there are some family I go shale I she trust some of the women self I yo ko ala e trust na shena isha madonna I refno na izigi na gbogbo ya shena I yo ipa tala e gba mi e preza ka ga sheke mona mo kam la iko ka muo ya I go kwa ka sheke wo go ke ma wale for society na. What am I trying to say today? Our parents has contributed to the damage we are facing in the society today. They have contributed to the damages we are facing in the society today. Then our women, our ladies, our mothers, they don't see do it. They don't see contribute to that. You go see 50 years old woman, they sell drugs. You go see 30 years old girl, they carry drugs, they sell. You go see 50 years old boy, they take drugs, like say drugs on a daily basis. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Make our parents, make them try to put their children for school. Because of this YAHOO, not for course. So our parents, if their children never reach 50 years, never reach 20 years, they will all buy phone, put that for a hand, you find one office, put that for there. If the